Hey guys, welcome to City Smash. Today I'm going to be playing some games. So what's this weapon? Or, I don't know. Let's try it. Yeah, all the way up. Okay, let's just reset. Yeah, nice. What does this do? See, so what does this do? Again? That's so laggy. Alright, for real now. Let's use every weapon in the game, I think. Should we? Yeah, let's do that. So I'm currently working on it. So this game is so fun. Guys, you should download it. It's free. It's called City Smash. It's really fun. And you don't need internet for it. But I put my internet on, so I might get some ads. So doesn't that suck? Well, yeah. I put on airplane mode. Wait, no, I didn't. I don't know why I'm barely talking, I don't know. But, yeah, wait, 2 Godzillas? Ew. Godzilla, please don't beat me. Godzilla! Let's reset the city. I got an ad. Ew. I got another ad. So I'm enough. Just let me skip. No. Guys, it's almost the end of the video, but no, it's not yet. It's not yet. Let's rise to the ground. Let's make a giant spike like. So I'll probably play some music if I'm getting a little tired. I'll probably just play some music, but I won't. So guys, how was your day? Outside just destroy everything. If it's good, that's amazing, because my day is amazing. But if you're doing bad, just sit down and watch some of my videos. You'll probably get a little better. Or just watch your favourite YouTuber. If it's me, I'll really appreciate it. But, Godzilla. I'm pretty sure this is my first gaming video in since 2020. Because I don't really do gaming. And Godzilla, what are you doing? Why did you destroy that? Anyways, let's go back to the game. Let's spawn a worm. Let's remove the ground so the worm doesn't get buried. I don't know how to say it. Can you guys let me know in the comments how to pronounce it? Because I pretty much don't know how to. Why is your bed? Alright guys, so it's almost the end of the video, so I might have to end it. I had fun with you guys. Alright, let's just spawn something before we go. Right, put some water. Alright, bye guys. I'll play some Solar Smash tomorrow. So I'll play some Solar Smash tomorrow, but that's all guys. Bye.